Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ivan, aka Ivan the Panda, and y'all know the drill. Don't forget to smash that like button below and click the subscribe button if you haven't already. So by the time I upload this video, Christmas would have already passed, so I hope you guys had a beautiful and wonderful Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, I still hope you had a beautiful and wonderful blessed day, evening, night, morning, whatever. For me, Christmas has never been about Santa, gifts, or materialistic items. As a second generation Asian diaspora especially, it's been about family and eating lots and lots of food and enjoying the summer, because yes, in New Zealand it's summer right now and we don't get snow for Christmas. It does snow in some parts of the South Island, but not in the North Island, not in Auckland. So Elsa, where you at? Come through, sis. But I'll stop telling you guys about my Christmas because I'll just show you guys. Roll the clip.
I want to know where I can go when you're not around, and I'm feeling down. So won't you stay for a moment so I can say nothing hears me, and I'm obsessed with you. Then I fell to the ground, and she smiled at me and said, I don't wanna see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness. Maybe she's right, 'cause I don't wanna feel like I'm lonely. And to be honest, I don't even know. Merry Christmas! I let myself get down in the first.
Yeah, so that was basically my Christmas. But now that's out of the way, I want to wish everyone a happy early New Year's, and I hope y'all end this decade and start the new decade with a bang, because I know I will. But y'all, on the real, on the mother real, isn't it crazy how it's gonna be 2020 next year? A whole ass new decade. When I started this decade, I was still in primary school. I was still being forced to play the violin and being forced to go to Chinese school by my parents. And now, I'm about to travel halfway across the world and live by myself and study by myself in Singapore. Just crazy. Just crazy. Also, this will be my last video of 2019, and I want to thank you, yes you, watching this video right now, for liking or subscribing or just watching me out of all people. I'm just truly honored, love. When I started my channel earlier this year, I would have never thought I'd be here right now with over 4,000 subscribers, and it's only been less than a year. Honestly, this year has been one of my favorites year by far, from bringing you all with me on my travel journeys to bringing you guys to see Blackpink with me in Australia. Thank you all for your support, and yes, my New Year's resolution will be to post more videos on my YouTube channel, at least one video a week or more, so stay tuned. But anyway, to the point of this video, so on New Year's Day, the first day of 2020, I'm going to be flying to Singapore, as you all know, for my semester exchange at the National University of Singapore. So I thought I'd show you guys what I'm going to pack and bring along with me to Singapore. But first, let's educate ourselves on the beautiful country that is Singapore, because if y'all are gonna come with me on this journey to Singapore, then y'all need to know what's up. So let's read some fun and fresh facts about Singapore, shall we?
Hey y'all, welcome to Singapore 101, where we learn about some fun and fresh facts about Singapore. Let's go. It is an island city located in the southeast of Asia and the world's third most densely populated region. This is the flag of Singapore, and this is the merlion, which symbolizes Singapore's humble beginnings as a fishing village. Fun fact, chewing gum has actually been banned in Singapore since 1992, so y'all know what I'm not gonna bring. And alongside its beautiful architecture, it is also one of the world's most greenest cities. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.
Now on to what I'm packing for Singapore. So I've been binge watching quite a few travel, exchange and packing videos on YouTube. So I thought I'd make one myself to help people that are packing for an overseas exchange or just want to know what to bring, because I know that I had to watch a lot of these videos to prepare myself. And side note, this is just what I'm bringing, so you don't have to take this as a how-to guide. Please don't. I'm basically gonna bring 2 empty suitcases so I can bring a lot more when I come back, and so that I don't go over the weight limit, which I probably won't, because I've got one 30 kg bag and a carry-on, and then I'm bringing my backpack, so I'm pretty good going there. But coming back, I want to be able to bring more stuff, especially if I'm gonna buy a lot of stuff, so I want to have a lot of room. And yeah, I'm gonna start with some basic essentials. So the first thing that I'm gonna bring is my fanny pack or bum bag or whatever you like to call it. So I'm just gonna use this to put my important stuff and things that I don't want to lose, and just things that I will need when I'm on the plane. The next basic essential is money. This is what the Singapore money looks like. So this is the $50 note. This is the $10 note. And they've got like sports people on here. For me, this is important because on the first few days, I probably won't open a bank account, so I'm gonna use the cash for taxis, food, and that sort of stuff. Locks. So I don't know if most people do this, but I know every time I travel I do, just for extra security. So I use these locks for my suitcases. Next basic essential is paperwork. So for me, I don't need a visa, but I have a student pass, so when I arrive I have to show them all my paperwork of my acceptance letter and terms and conditions. So it's just better to be safe than sorry, and show them that I've got all my documents here to show that I'm able to enter into Singapore, and so that I don't have any issues at immigration. But yeah, so that really depends on which country you're going to, if you need a visa and what passport you already have. So that's going to be subject to change for anyone and wherever you travel. Last basic essential is passport. No need to explain. Now I'm just going to show some electronics that I'm going to bring. So the first thing that I'm going to pack obviously is going to be my laptop. So I recently got this. It's the Microsoft Surface 3 laptop, and I'm gonna be using it for obviously my notes and stuff I'm gonna take in uni. The next thing is my laptop accessories. So I'm gonna bring my hard drive. So this has all my stuff from my old laptop that I'm gonna bring and that I might need. And then I've got this USB port hub. So my current laptop only has one USB port, so this means that I can plug a lot more stuff into my laptop and I can use it at the same time. I'm gonna also be bringing my cameras. So this I showed you guys in my last video, and my Polaroid camera, and my DSLR, which I only use for photography, not really for taking videos, but smile. So yeah, obviously when I'm in Singapore I want to capture some memories and photos and everything on my camera so I can remember and look back on it. Next electronic that I'm bringing is my iPad, because it's got my brother's Spotify Premium, which I don't think he knows, but anyways, yeah, and also for my uni work, just for extra notes and that sort of stuff, and so I can watch myself on YouTube. The last of the electronics that I'm bringing is some portable chargers. So especially for the first day when I arrive, because I'm getting there about like 9 o'clock at night. So I just want to be sure that my phone is not dead and that I'll be able to use it. Also, don't forget you have to put these in your carry-on, because one time I put these in my luggage, not my carry-on, and I got stopped at the immigration thingy when I was coming back from China, and I had to take it out and put it on my carry-on. But yeah, so just for anyone that didn't know, you can't put your portable charger in your checked-in luggage. Hi, hello. I also forgot this really important item that I'm bringing with me, and that is an extension cable. These are all plugs that I can plug in with my normal cables, and then I only need one travel adapter, which I'll get at the airport or somewhere in a mall or something. And yeah, before I get to the next thing that I'm bringing, you probably saw from the last clip that it was kind of getting dark, so I decided to stand up, you know, stretch my legs, get some better natural lighting. The first thing that I'm going to bring is this. So for those of you who don't know what this is, it's called sea legs. If you get travel sickness like me, these pills help a lot. I also wear this like bracelet thing on my wrist. It's got this ball which pushes on my vein. It's like a sort of acupuncture or whatever. I don't know how it works, but it works. I tried to find it for this video, but I couldn't find it. Definitely need to find it before I fly. Those are the two things I do to overcome my travel sickness. I'm gonna also bring my asthma inhaler just in case, you know, if I get wheezy in Singapore. I don't normally use it here, but I just thought, you know, just in case if I get wheezy, it ain't easy being wheezy, you know. And obviously I'm going to bring some clothes. It's going to be really hot there, so I'm probably going to not bring much jumpers or long sleeve or pants. So that's another tip for anyone going to any place that's hot. Don't bring as much long sleeve stuff. And because I will be studying overseas, I don't want to bring that much clothes because I won't have that much space in my luggage to bring back all my clothes. So I thought I would go there, travel light, and then when I get there I could buy clothes, whatever, and then hopefully have space to bring it back. Originally I was going to bring this book with me because it helped me a lot here because I'm doing the same sort of courses overseas in Singapore. So I thought, you know, I'd bring this book with me, but I just realized that we actually have online copies of this book. So I bought this before I knew that there was actually online copies. Probably not going to bring this, and I'm probably not going to bring my uni books and stuff because they're all online. The next thing that I'm going to pack, which is also another New Year's resolution of mine, is my journal. So I want to start journaling more next year and sort of document my everyday life so I can look back on in the future and just remember how I felt in that moment, and I feel like it'll be a good way to express myself more. And the last thing that I'm going to bring is something to remind me of home, because I'm not too sure if I'm going to be homesick or not, but I thought I'd bring a little something that reminds me of home and reminds me of my friends, which is some Polaroids that I've taken with a few of my friends. So I'm gonna hopefully put that around my dorm that I'm gonna be living in. So that is what I'm packing to Singapore. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.
Now everybody let me hear you say right. Cause man, all your money cause today
putting my face on the tree and then I fell, and then everyone thought I was crying, and then they came back, and then the guy at the chainsaw stopped putting the chain on, and then he went away because he thought I was